Hi there. Welcome to Gridmate Learning Channel. Today we will walk you through how to import data using the GM Import Wizard. This feature makes it easy to bring in data from external sources into your Salesforce organization. Let's start by enabling the import object. Click on Edit Page to open the App Builder. Click on your component and scroll down. Then check Enable Import Object. Click Save and go back to your page. Now let's add the Data Import Monitor, which lets us track our import jobs in real time. Go to Setup and search for App Manager. Click Edit on your Sales app. Go to the Utility Item tab and click Add Utility Item. Choose GM Data Import Monitor. Set the label as Import Monitor. You can choose any icon you like. In this case, we will use an arrow top icon. Make sure to check Start Automatically, then click Save. Now we are ready to start our first import. Click the Import action. Click Upload Files, then select the file you want to upload and click Open. Once it's loaded, click Done. You will now see a preview of the file. You can adjust the preview size here. When you are ready, click Next. As you can see, the fields are automatically mapped based on your file headers. Now choose the operation you want to perform. You can either insert, update or upsert the records. We will leave it set to insert and click Next. Since this file contains some typos in the account type field, we will correct them manually. Once the corrections are done, click Next. Let's save this mapping configuration so we can reuse it for similar files in the future. Choose Save as a new mapping. Give your mapping a name like Account Type Mapping and click Submit to start the imports. To track the progress, open the Imports Monitor. Here you will see real-time updates. In this case, the job has completed successfully with no errors, and all records were imported correctly. You can also view detailed results to verify everything was processed as expected. Here we can see that all 100 records were inserted successfully. Now let's try importing a second file. Now, instead of correcting anything manually, we will simply select our mapping and click Next. As you can see, all the field mappings are applied automatically just as we defined earlier. Click Next. Review the summary. And click Submit. Back in the Imports Monitor, we can confirm that this second job also completed successfully. Thanks to the saved mapping, all fields were mapped and cleaned up automatically, saving time and avoiding repetitive manual work. Thank you for watching.